Hello and welcome to Pabbly Chatflow. In this video, we are going to understand how to design a WhatsApp chatbot to promote subscription plans for a pet grooming business. So as a business owner, I receive a lot of queries on my WhatsApp number. And now here I instantly wish to reply to these queries using a WhatsApp chatbot. Yes, you heard it right. I am going to build a WhatsApp chatbot by using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So here we are going to follow a process. We are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow, and after that, whenever we are going to receive a new WhatsApp message on our WhatsApp chat, then automatically our chatbot is going to reply to that message. So if you wish to learn about this chatbot in detail, then let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a WhatsApp chatbot that automatically answers customer queries and shares subscription details for your pet grooming business. It's a great way to save time and boost sign-ups. Alright, so here on my screen you can see the chatbot that I've already created to promote subscription plans for a pet grooming business. And now firstly in this video we are going to see the working of this amazing chatbot that I've already created by simply sending a WhatsApp message to my WhatsApp chat. So for that, let me all take you to my WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp account and this is my WhatsApp number that I've connected with my Pabbly Chatflow account. So hey, let's suppose that I'm a customer over here, and here I'm going to drop the text as, hey, I want to know about your grooming service. And here you can see we have received the text as, hi there, welcome to Fluffy Tails Grooming, where your pet's comfort and style come first. How can I help you today? And here you can see we have received 3 quick reply buttons such as grooming packages, subscription and sign up now. So let's select grooming packages. And here you can see we have received all the grooming packages, and then we have received the question as, would you like to subscribe or book a service? So we are going to click on the subscription. And it says choose the plan that keeps your pet pampered regularly. So these are some plans. So we are going to click on the sign up now. And this says amazing, let's get you started. Please share your full name. So I'm going to add my full name over here. And here for the preferred plan, we are going to select a random plan, and then it says we will register a subscription and send payment info shortly. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing chatbot that I've already created using all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. And now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this chatbot by using an all-in-one WhatsApp communication platform, that is Pabbly Chatflow. So to access the Pabbly Chatflow, you have to search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Chatflow. So here on my screen you can see Pabbly Chatflow's homepage, and here you can see 2 options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and try Pabbly Chatflow for free today. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to build a WhatsApp chatbot for my business, I'm going to use Pabbly Chatflow. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and here if you wish to learn that how you can set up a Pabbly Chatflow account step by step, then you can check out the video available on our YouTube channel and on our landing page as well. Alright, so let me give a brief that how you can add a WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. So for that you need to click on this add a WhatsApp number button given over here, and then you'll be able to see the option of WhatsApp Connect and the manual token connect. So here you can see this WhatsApp Connect is a preferred method over here. So if you wish to learn about this method in detail, then you can check out the video link available in the description box below. And if you wish to select the manual token connect, then it is going to ask for the Meta Access token, phone number ID and WhatsApp business account ID. So here to get all these details, you need to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account in Meta for developers. And once you're going to set up the account, you're going to get all these details, and after adding the details over here, you need to click on this next and you are good to go. Alright, so this was all about how to add a WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow account. And now here let me tell you that Pabbly Chatflow offers some amazing features that are available in the left side bar. So here you can see the amazing features, and here if you wish to learn about these features in detail, then you can check out the videos dedicated to each of the feature available on our YouTube channel and on our landing page as well. Alright, so let me give an overview of each feature over here. So let's start with the inbox. By using this particular feature, you can see all your WhatsApp chats at one place. Then comes the contacts. By using this particular feature, you can create and manage the contact list for your WhatsApp number. Then comes the team queues. By using this particular feature, you can see all your team members and the status of the chat assigned to each of the team member. Then comes the templates. By using this particular feature, you can create and manage the templates for your WhatsApp messaging. Then comes the broadcast. So here by using this particular feature, you can create, send and schedule the broadcast messaging for your WhatsApp message. Then comes the flows. By using this particular feature, feature, you can create a WhatsApp chatbot for your business. Then comes the AI assistant. So by using this particular feature, you can create an AI assistant for your business. Then comes the activity log. So by using this particular feature, you can see the activity of your entire Pabbly Chatflow account at one place. Then comes the settings, and here under settings, you can see all the existing features available over here. So here, if you wish to learn about these features in detail, then you can check out the video dedicated to this feature. Then comes the get help option. So by using this particular option, you can get the response for your doubts regarding Pabbly Chatflow. Alright, so this was all about the features, and now here to create a new WhatsApp chatbot, we are going to use the feature of Pabbly Chatflow that are flows. So I'm going to access the flows. And here under Flow Builder, you can see all the existing flows that I've created using Pabbly Chatflow till now. Alright, so here to create a new WhatsApp chatbot, we are going to create a new flow by clicking on this Add a Flow button given over here. And now here in this flow window, firstly I'm going to give a name to my chatbot, that is WhatsApp chatbot to promote subscription plans for pet grooming business. And now here to giving a name to my flow, it is asking me to set up the flow start. So in this flow start, I need to set up the trigger for my WhatsApp chatbot. So here you can set up the trigger as keywords, regex or the template. So here if you wish to trigger your WhatsApp chatbot through a template, then you can choose the template from your template library, or else you can set the regex and the keywords as well. So here if we will choose trigger type as keywords, meaning the chatbot will activate when a user's message contains specific words. So for example, if we add a keyword like hey, that is a very basic keyword. So for that you need to type the keyword first, and then you need to press an enter to make it a valid keyword. And now whenever a user is going to send the message with this word, the chatbot will detect it and trigger a response. But here people type messages in different way. One person might say, tell me about the pet grooming services, while another might write, what is the price of your subscription plan? So now here instead of listing every possible variation, we can use regex, that are regular expression, to create a smarter trigger. So for example, using the regex pattern like this, the chatbot will detect the common inquiry words regardless of variation or capitalization. And once the chatbot is triggered, it moves to the next step. So here it says enter regex to match substring trigger, enable toggle for case sensitive regex. So here it is not mandatory to enable the toggle while entering the regex, but here you need to enable the toggle for each sensitive regex only. Alright, so here we have successfully set up a flow start, and here after setting up the flow start, I want whenever my customer is going to send any of the message on my WhatsApp chat, then I want to send a hello or a welcome message to my customer. So for that I'm going to add a text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as, hi there, welcome to Fluffy Tails Grooming, where your pet's comfort and style comes first. How can I help you today? So this is a very basic message, and here you can see I have used asterisks before and after my brand name, because here I wanted to make this text bold. So here you need to use this particular text format to make the text bold in your message box. Alright, so this is the basic message, and now I'm going to add some quick replies button over here with the text as grooming packages, subscription and sign up now. And now here after adding these quick replies button, I have successfully completed this message box as well. So now here after adding this message box, I'm going to further set up this WhatsApp chatbot for these quick reply button. So let's start with the grooming packages. So if my customer is going to select this particular quick reply button, then for that we are going to add a text box over here where I'm going to add all my grooming packages text as, here are our grooming packages. These are some grooming packages that I've added over here with the text as, would you like to subscribe or book a service? And now after adding this message over here, I'm going to add some quick replies button over here with the text as, subscription, sign up now and go back. So with this we have successfully completed this message box as well. So now after completing this message box, we are going to add another text box for the another quick reply button, that is subscription. So for that I'm going to add a text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as, choose a plan that keeps your pet pampered regularly. So these are some plans, monthly plan, quarterly plan and the yearly plan, and then it says ready to sign up. So now after adding the text, I'm going to add some quick replies button over here where I'm going to enter the text as, sign up now, talk to us and go back. Alright, so with this we have successfully completed this message box as well. So now let's move forward, and then here we are left with the sign up now quick reply button. So if my customer is going to select this particular button, then firstly I need to ask about my customer name. So for that I'm going to click on this action type notes, and from here I'm going to drag the ask a question message box, because here I'm going to ask a value, or you can see the input from the customer. So for that I've added a question box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as, amazing, let's get you started, please share your full name. So here in this particular question message box, I am asking about the customer full name, and here after adding the text, it is asking me to select the contact custom field. So here I've already created a contact custom field for the full name. So here if you wish to know about this contact custom field in detail, then you can check out the video dedicated to this specific feature available on on our YouTube channel. And now here let me tell you that how you can access the contact custom field. So for that you need to click on the settings, and from here you will be able to see the option of contact custom fields. Alright, so here I've already created the contact custom field for the full name, so I'm going to select that, and then it is asking me to select the format. So I'm going to select my field format as text, and then here for the number of attempt I'm going to enter the number as 1, and then here it is asking me to enter the validation error message. So I don't want to enter any validation error message, so I'm going to leave it blank, but you can add it as per your need. And now here I'm going to connect this quick reply button to this message box. And now here after asking about the full name, I want to ask the customer about the plan he or she wanted to select. Alright, so for that I'm not going to add any question message box, because here I'm going to give choice, that means the options, to the customer to select the desired plan. So for that I'm going to add a text box over here, and here I'm going to complete this message box as. So here you can see the message box that I've already completed with the text and the quick replies button as well. So now if my customer is going to select any of the quick reply button, then I want to send a small thank you or a confirmation message to my customer. So for that I'm going to add a text box over here, and here I'm going to enter the text as, we will register your subscription and send payment info shortly. And now here I'm going to connect all these quick reply button to this message box. And with this we have successfully completed the chatbot for these quick reply button. Alright, so now I'm going to connect all the remaining quick reply button to their respective message box. So here for the sign up, now I'm going to connect this quick reply button to this message box, and here for the go back I'm going to connect this quick reply button to the main message box, and then again I'm going to connect the sign up now quick reply button to this message box. And here for the talk to us quick reply button, we are going to add a small message box as well, so that we can add some details over here. So I'm going to enter the text as, sure, we'd love to help you out personally. Please give us a moment. A member of our team will get in touch with you shortly. Our support hours are Monday to Saturday 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Alright, so with this we have successfully added the message box for this quick reply button, and then I'm going to connect this go back quick reply button to the main message box. Moving forward, and here we are left with the last quick reply button, that is subscription. So I'm going to connect it with the subscription message box. And with this we have successfully connected all our quick reply button to their respective message boxes. Alright, so with this we have successfully completed our chatbot over here, and now here after building this chatbot we are going to save this flow by clicking on the save button given over here, and it says flow updated success. That means we have successfully saved our flow that we just right now created. Alright, so now after creating this WhatsApp chatbot, let's go and test this chatbot once again by sending a one more WhatsApp message to our WhatsApp chat. So for that let me all take you back to my WhatsApp. Now again this is my WhatsApp account, and here I'm going to clear this entire chat to start it from the scratch. Alright, so here let's suppose that I'm a customer over here, and here I'm going to drop the text as, hey, I want to buy a subscription. And here you can see we have received the text as, hi there, welcome to Fluffy Tails Grooming, where your pet's comfort and style comes first. How can I help you today? And here you can see the 3 quick replies button. Alright, so with this we have successfully seen the working of this amazing chat bot. And now here let me show you the amazing feature that Pabbly Chatflow offers of inbox. So here in the inbox you can see all your WhatsApp chats of your WhatsApp number, and also you can see the chat between your WhatsApp chatbot and the customer. And now here you can see the status of your messages sent, delivered or read. And not only this, you can also see your customer details available in the right side panel. Alright, so this was all about the inbox. Let's move back to our flows. And now here let me summarize the entire chatbot that we just right now created. So here we have selected our flow start as the regex, and then we have added a hello or a welcome message for our customers with the quick reply button as grooming packages, subscriptions and sign up now. And then further we have added the text boxes for each of the quick reply button. Alright, so this was all about the chatbot. And now here if you wish to learn about more amazing such chatbots, then you need to stay tuned on our YouTube channel for the same. Alright, so now if you have any doubt related to this chatbot or any other chatbot or a feature of Pabbly Chatflow, then you can drop your doubts in the comment section below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create many other chatbots with Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit www.pabbly.com. Now if you liked our video, please try Pabbly Chatflow for free today.